How dare you, Adam? I will not forgive you. You have to pay for this.
How dare you, Adam? ستا جرأت څنګه وسو Adam؟ ډیر ولکې جرأت ته. I will not forgive you. زه به تا معاف نه کما. Forgive ولکې معاف کولو ته. You have to pay for this. ته باید دې لپاره ادا وکې.
I did not do anything. I don't remember anything. Please listen to me.
I did not do anything. ما هیڅ هم نه دی کړی. I don't remember anything. زما هیڅ هم نه یادېږي. Remember ولکې یادولو ته. Please listen to me. مهرباني وکړه ما ته غوږ ونیسه.
I don't know what happened last night. I found myself in this room.
I don't know. زه نه پوهېږم. What happened last night چې تېره شپه څه واقع شوله. Last night ولکې تېره شپې ته. I found myself in this room. ما خپل ځان په دې کوټه کې پیدا مې کړ. مطلب زه دې کوټه کې وم.
He came in my room last night. He had lost his mind. I tried to stop him.
He came in my room last night. هغه زما کوټې ته راغلی و تېره شپه. He had lost his mind. هغه خپل دماغ لاس ورکړی ول. Mind ولکې دماغ ته. I tried to stop him. ما کوشش وکړ چې هغه ودروم.
Stop adding fuel to the fire. I don't trust you. I am innocent.
Stop adding fuel to the fire. د حالات نور مسختوه. پوه د حالات یا د خبر نور مسختوه. یعنی پښتو کې موږ ورته وایو کنه تیل ته نور ور ما اچوه. څه دی دا مطلب دی. I don't trust you. زه په تا باندې یقین نه کوم. Trust ولکې یقین کولو ته. I am innocent. زه بې ګناه یم. Innocent ولکې بې ګناه ته.
Keep quiet. My daughter is innocent. You are lying, Adam.
Keep quiet. خاموش شه. My daughter is innocent. زما لور بې ګناه ده. You are lying, Adam. ته دروغ وایې Adam.
Mom, I cannot live here anymore. Nobody will accept me. Adam ruined my life.
مورې I cannot live here anymore. زه نشم کولی چې نو دلته پاتې شم. Nobody will accept me. هیڅوک به هم ما قبول نه کړي. Accept ولکې قبلولو ته. Adam ruined my life. Adam زما ژوند تباه کړ. Ruin ولکې تباه کولو ته.
Don't cry, my sweetie. I will talk to his dad right now.
Don't cry, my sweetie. زاړه ما زما خوږې. کرای ولکې ژړلو ته. I will talk to his dad right now. زه به د هغه له پلار سره همدا اوس خبرې وکړم.
Dad, I want to talk to you. Can we talk right now?
Dad, پلاره I want to talk to you. زه غواړم چې له تا سره خبرې وکړم. Can we talk right now? آیا موږ کولی شو چې همدا اوس خبرې وکړو؟
What happened? What's the matter?
What happened? څه واقع شول? What's the matter? څه مسله ده؟
Dad, Adam loves someone. He wants to marry that girl.
Dad, پلاره Adam loves someone. Adam له یو چا سره مینه کوي. He wants to marry that girl. هغه غواړي چې له هغې جینۍ سره واده وکړي. marry ویل کېږي واده کولو ته.
What? Who is that girl? Do I know her? Please tell me the truth.
What? Who is that girl? هغه جینۍ څوک ده؟ Do I know her? آیا زه هغه پیژنم؟ Please tell me the truth. مهرباني وکړه ما ته رښتیا ووایه. Truth ویل کېږي رښتیا ته.
Your son ruined my daughter's life.
Your son ruined my daughter's life. ستا زوی زما د لور ژوند تباه کړ.
What happened? What are you talking about?
What happened? څه واقع شول? What are you talking about? دا ته د څه باره کې خبرې کوې؟
I did not do anything, Dad.
I did not do anything, Dad. ما هیڅ هم نه دي کړي پلاره.
Why did you do this to me, Adam?
Why did you do this to me, Adam? تا ولې داسې له ما سره وکړله؟
Why are you shouting? What did he do?
Why are you shouting? تاسو ولې چیغې وهئ یا shouting ویل کېږي په زوره چیغې وهل په زوره غږېدل. What did he do? هغه څه وکړله؟
Your brother slept with my daughter. He ruined my daughter's life.
Your brother slept with my daughter. ستا ورور زما د لور سره ویده سوی و. He ruined my daughter's life. هغې زما د لور ژوند تباه کړ.
Adam came in my room last night. I think he was drunk.
Adam came in my room last night. Adam زما کوټې ته تیر شپه راغلی و. I think زما په فکر he was drunk. هغه شراب څښلی و.
I tried to stop him. I wanted to shout, but
I tried to stop him. ما کوشش وکړ چې هغه ودروم. I wanted ما غوښتل to shout چې چیغه ووهم. But لیکن هغه
What?
I am innocent. I did not do anything.
I am innocent. زه بېګناه یم. Innocent ویل کېږي بېګناه ته. I did not do anything. ما هیڅ هم نه دي کړي.
You have let me down, Adam. How could you do this to her?
You have let me down, Adam. تا خو زه کته کړم Adam. د خلکو مطلب د خلکو په سترګو کې. How could you do this to her? تا څنګه کولی شو چې له هغې سره داسې وکړې.
You have to make a decision now. Where will my daughter go?
You have to make a decision now. تو باید همدا اوس یو فیصله وکړې. Decision ویل کېږي فیصلې ته. Where will my daughter go? زما لور به چېرته ځي.
Who will marry my daughter? Why are you mute?
Who will marry my daughter? څوک به زما له لور سره واده کوي. Why are you mute? تو ولې خاموشه یې. Mute ویل کېږي خاموش.
My brother cannot do this. I know him very well.
My brother cannot do this. زما ورور داسې نشي کولی. I know him very well. زه هغه ډېر ښه پیژنم.
What do you mean, Cora? I am not lying. You should support me.
What do you mean, Cora? ستاسو مطلب دی Cora. I am not lying. زه دروغ نه وایم. You should support me. ته باید زما ملاتړ وکړې. Support ویل کېږي ملاتړ کول ته.
I don't know anything. My brother is a nice guy. He cannot do this.
I don't know anything. زه په هیڅ هم نه پوهیږم. My brother is a nice guy. زما ورور یو ښه هلک دی. He cannot do this. هغه داسې نشي کولی.
He is a bad person. My daughter should not have come here.
He is a bad person. هغه یو بیکاره سړی دی. یو خراب شخص دی. My daughter should not have come here. زما لور باید دلته راغلی نه وای.
Here.
I don't want to live, Mom. I should go from
I don't want to leave, Mom. زه نه غواړم چې دلته اوسېږم مورې. I should go from here. زه باید دې ځای څخه لاړ شم.
here.
Enough is enough. I have heard enough. Ella will stay.
Enough is enough. بس دی نور بس دی. I have heard enough. ما ډېر زیات څه واورېدل. Ella will stay here. Ella به دلته پاتې کېږي.
Here. Adam will marry Ella. This is my final decision.
Adam will marry Ella. Adam به له Ella سره واده کوي. This is my final decision. دا زما اخرنۍ فیصله ده. Final decision ویل کېږي اخرنۍ فیصلې ته.
Decision.
What? No way, Dad. I cannot marry her. I did not do it.
What, sir? No way, Dad. هیڅ کله هم نه پلاره. I cannot marry her. زه له هغې سره واده نشم کولی. I did not do anything. ما هیڅ هم نه دي کړي.
Anything.
Your dad is right. You have to marry my daughter.
Your dad is right. ستا پلار بالکل صحیح دی. You have to marry. ته باید واده وکړې. My daughter زما لور سره right now همدا اوس.
Right now.
You have to marry me, Adam. You ruined my life. Will you
You have to marry me, Adam. ته باید له ما سره واده وکړې Adam. You ruined my life. تا ته ما ژوند تباه کړ. Will you marry me? آیا ته به له ما سره واده وکړې؟
marry me?
Of course, he will marry
Of course, بالکل. He will marry you. هغه به له تا سره واده کوي.
you. You did a great job, Ella. Adam has to marry you. I am so proud.
You did a great job, Ella. تا یو ډېر ښه کار تر سره کړ Ella. Adam has to marry you. Adam باید له تا سره واده وکړي. I am proud of you. زه په تا باندې فخر کوم. Proud ویل کېږي فخر کول.
Proud of you.
Thanks, Mom. Lily cannot stay in this house. Adam
Thanks, Mom. مننه مورې. Lily cannot stay in this house. Lily نشي کولی چې په دې کور کې پاتې شي. Adam is mine. Adam زما دی.
is mine.
Have some patience. Adam will say yes. He does not have other.
have some patience یو څه صبر وکړه patience ویل کېږي صبر ته Adam will say yes Adam به هو وایي he does not have other choice د هغه سره بل انتخاب نشته
choice.
If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch this next video. I know you are going to